Retention lakes and ponds like this one can be found on many residential and commercial properties all over the country. Typically about a quarter acre in size and up, developers, engineers, and architects specify them quite often because they provide many benefits. Their primary purpose is to collect stormwater from the property to eliminate erosion and flooding. They also serve as a rainwater harvesting system, allowing the water to be used as a habitat for plants, wildlife, recreation, and for landscape irrigation. Retention lakes also filter out contaminants, improving water quality through natural processes like sedimentation and decomposition. Lakes and ponds are a great way to add value to your property, but for them to stay beautiful, they must be properly managed. Poor management practices can lead to stratification. This means the cooler, denser water settles in the bottom, the lighter and warmer water rises to the top, leaving a third layer in between. In this stratified state, the layers of water cannot mix, and the bottom layer becomes a dead zone where fish cannot survive due to a lack of oxygen. Without proper management, the lake will eventually fill itself in with silt, sludge, and excessive aquatic weed and algae growth. This can be a real problem for developers, landscapers, and property owners whose main objective is to keep the lake looking great. There are three primary methods used to improve the water quality in your lake or pond. The most important of these is to circulate and aerate the water. Circulation and aeration will break up the layers of stratification and add dissolved oxygen to the water. There are a few products that are most commonly used to accomplish this. The most popular is a floating decorative aerating fountain. They're very simple to install, and they come with a decorative nozzle that gives a display on top of the water. You can also add lighting for nighttime illumination. Floating fountains are sized by matching them to the surface area of the lake or pond. A minimum of 2 horsepower per surface acre is needed. The best option for deeper lakes and ponds is the diffused air method, often called robust air. In this method, a compressor is mounted on shore. The compressor pushes air to a diffuser at the bottom of the lake. As the air rises, it circulates the water and adds dissolved oxygen. Another way to make sure your lake or pond stays clean is to add beneficial bacteria. Beneficial bacteria breaks down organic matter, sludge, and excess nutrients. It works great when it's combined with aeration and circulation. Finally, adding dyes that color and shade the water can help keep your lake or pond clean. The dyes limit the amount of sunlight that can penetrate the surface. This in turn slows down the process of photosynthesis and discourages aquatic weed and algae growth. Dyes also can add natural beauty to the water. There are many other products to help keep your lake or pond clean. To find out more about these products, sign up for one of our education classes, stop by your local Ewing branch, or visit us online at ewingirrigation.com.